In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Salesforce. This is a straightforward process that ensures you can seamlessly manage your customer relationships and sales data across both platforms. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login screen where you'll see an option to sign in with Google. Select this option and pick your account if prompted. This allows you to quickly access your HubSpot dashboard without the hassle of entering additional login details. With access to your HubSpot dashboard, shift your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the Marketplace icon. Clicking on this will open the HubSpot Marketplace, your gateway to integrating a variety of apps with HubSpot. Once in the Marketplace, click on Apps to browse the available options. Here, use the search function to type in Salesforce. This is a crucial step as it ensures you're finding the exact application needed for the integration. Upon locating the Salesforce app in the search results, click on it to open the detailed app page. You're going to want to click on Install App. This process will initiate the integration setup between HubSpot and Salesforce. Next, you'll need to log into Salesforce, so go ahead and click on the Login to Salesforce button. A new tab will open, directing you to the Salesforce login page. Here, enter your Salesforce username and password to gain access. Make sure you have these credentials handy to avoid delays. Once logged in, you'll be automatically taken back to HubSpot, where you'll see options to proceed with the integration. Ensure that you follow all on-screen instructions carefully to allow the systems to communicate as needed. These instructions might include configuring specific settings to align with how you manage data within your organization. Patience and attention to detail are key as you configure these settings. Follow each step diligently, as the seamless flow of information between HubSpot and Salesforce can significantly enhance your team's efficiency. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the integration between HubSpot and Salesforce. With this setup, you can now leverage the strengths of both tools, ensuring better data management and streamlined processes for your sales and marketing teams. Remember, the key to maximizing this integration is consistent data synchronization and frequent monitoring to ensure all configurations align with your operational goals. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.